A really nice way of customizing the browser. We can add and subtract anything from our toolbars very easily. We do this by going into View, and in View we have the Toolbars option, and then in the Toolbars menu we click on Customize. And now this new window opens up with basically a bunch of icons for each of the toolbar functions. And all we have to do is just drag whatever we want to view onto our toolbar, and it works the same way as if we want to remove anything from the toolbar. We can just drag it back into this customized toolbar window. So we can add and subtract features in our toolbar really easily, and we can also change the look of our toolbar very easily. So it's a really nice feature, and there's a lot of functions over here that it's very useful if you just to look through there, because what on the default toolbar there could be many options that don't appear, and once you go into your customized toolbar menu, you'll see that you have a lot of options and a lot of different things that you can put on your toolbar to make your browsing go much easier, much smoother, and it could be really helpful. There's also a nice shortcut feature in Firefox, which is the same as as we saw in Explorer, which is putting in just the main part of the web address that you want to go to. If we hit Control Enter, Firefox will automatically put in the HTTP header and also the .com footer on the beginning and the end of the words that we put in. So therefore we don't have to type in the entire web address name. We can just put in the main name and hit Control Enter, and Firefox will complete the web address for us.